Hello, welcome you all. Today's topic is rank of a matrix. Rank is basically an important part in matrix theory. Many computational work related to matrix are to be done with the help of rank. So suppose A is a given matrix and this matrix is said to be of rank R, and the rank is normally denoted by the row symbol, and the matrix A is said to be of rank R if it has at least one minor of order R which is non-zero. That is, value of that minor should be non-zero, and all other higher order minors, that is minors of order R plus 1, R plus 2, R plus 3, etc. All higher order minors of that matrix A should be 0. Then in such case we conclude that the matrix A is of rank R, and symbolically row symbol is to be used to define the rank of given matrix A. Suppose these are important results. First result is, if A is a null matrix. Null matrix is basically a matrix whose all entries are exactly 0. Then the matrix A, in case of null matrix, its rank is 0, as we can easily conclude that every minor of null order has 0 value. Suppose A is null matrix, it means all entries are 0. Then if you find the minor of any order, then that minor is 0 in all the cases whenever this A matrix is a null matrix. Suppose A is not a null matrix, then in that case the rank of that matrix is always greater than equal to 1, since at least if it is a null, not a null matrix, then at least one entry of that matrix should be non-zero. So therefore there exists a minor of order 1 whose determinant value is non-zero. So therefore the rank of that matrix, if it is not a null matrix, is always greater than equal to 1. Suppose A is a non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix means that matrix whose determinant is non-zero. A is a non-singular matrix of order n by n. Since A is given as non-singular matrix, then its determinant is always not equal to 0. So therefore there exists a nth order minor of given matrix A whose value is non-zero. So therefore its rank is always equal to n whenever the given matrix A is of non-singular matrix of order n. Suppose A is given a matrix of order m by n, then its rank is always lesser than minimum of m and n, since in order to find the rank of given matrix we have to compute the minors, and minors are actually determinant, and determinants are evaluated when the number of rows is same as the number of columns. So therefore in that case, if A is given a matrix of order m by n, then its rank is always less than equal to minimum of m and n. Suppose in next result, suppose I is given a identity matrix or unit matrix of order n. Since we know that unit matrix is a matrix in which all diagonal entries are exactly 1 and non-diagonal entries are 0. So the determinant value of that identity matrix is always equal to 1.